Ayan, so here is our another problem tayo. Sample problem number 4 for curvature and refraction correction. Ayan, so ito yung problem natin. Ayan, so by using the following given in the table below, determine the following. Ayan, so letter A, the elevation of the line of sight at hill Y with the instrument placed at hill X, that hill Z will be visible from hill X considering curvature and refraction correction. Ayan, so letter A tayo. Ayan, so let's draw muna. So yung hill X, so dito. So this is the X, which is 700. And then, meron tayo dito sa may Z, which is ito, Z. So, just imagine, ito na lang yung hill natin. So, yung elevation niya is 620. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung line of sight dito sa may hill Y. So, let's say, ito na lang. So, this is the Y. So, ang distance dito, so, from X to Y, 11 kilometer. So, this is the D1. And then, yung distance dito sa Y to Z is 14 kilometer. So, this is the D2. So, this is the H sub 1. And then, this is the H sub 2. So, pinapahanap sa atin yung elevation dito sa may hill Y. So, this is the H. So, yan yung pinapahanap sa atin. So, this is the A. So, using the formula in interversibility of stations, so H is equal to H sub 2 plus D2 divided by D2 plus the D1. Multiply natin sa H1 minus the H2 minus 0.0675 the D1 and then the D2. So, sulat lang natin dito. So, H1, 700, H2, or direct na natin. Yan, so direct na natin dito sa formula. So, H, so pinapahanap yung dito sa may elevation sa Y. So, H2 natin, ito, 620 plus 14, yung dito natin. 14 plus 11. 700 minus 620. Dito na lang sa baba. Minus 0.0675. 14 or 11 times 14. Ayan. So, yung elevation sa Y is, so, calcu. So, 654.405 meter. So, yan yung answer natin. So, yan yung elevation dito sa may Y natin. So, 654.405 meter. Ayan. So, next tayo for ito, letter B. So, yung pinapahanap sa atin is the height of equal towers that must be constructed at hill X and hill Z so that they will be all intervisible having a clearance of 10 meter above hill Y. So, all intervisible yan. So, kita lahat. So, pantay-pantay sila. Ayan. So, i-draw natin. So, yung X, so hill X. So, this is the hill X. And then, this is the hill Y. So, mas mababa konti. And then, this is the Z. So, dito, ayan. So, ilagay lang natin yung distance. So, X to Y, 11 kilometer. And then, Y to Z, 14 kilometer. Which is ito, D1. And then, ito yung D sub 2. Ngayon, ito yung elevation dito sa may X, hill X is 700. 700. And then dito sa may Y, 650 meter. And then the hill Z, yung elevation dito is 620 meter. Ngayon, yung pinapahanap sa atin, ano daw yung equal towers or the height of equal towers that must be constructed dito sa may X natin and then dito sa may Z. So maglalagay tayo ng tower dito. So let's say A na lang to. Ayan. So, and then may binigay na clearance dito sa may hill Y natin which is 10 meter. So let A is the height of tower. So, ayan, using the formula sa intervisibility natin, which is that H is equal to H sub 2 plus the D2 divided by the D2 plus the D1 times H1 minus the H2 minus 0.0675 the D1 and then the D2. So, na lang natin. So, ito, so from here hanggang dito, this is the H1. And then ito, ay iba na lang natin ang kulay. Let's say green na lang. So, ito hanggang dito, ayan. So, this is the H. And then ito hanggang dito, this is the H sub 2. Ayan. So, isulat lang natin dito. So, H1, ito yung 700 plus yung A. And H2, 620 plus the A. And then the H natin is 650 plus the 10 meter na clearance na binigay. So, sa hill Y. And then, ayan. So, pwede na nating i-substitute dito sa formula natin. So, H. So, dito na lang sa medyo baba. So, 650 plus 10 is equal to yung H2 natin, which is 620 plus A plus the D2, which is 14 divided by 14 plus 11, H1, so 700 plus A minus 620 plus A. Ayan, so minus 0.0675. The D1 is 11 and then the D2 is 14. Ayan, so now i-shift solve natin. Ang makukuha natin na A or the height ng tower is 5.595 meter. So yan yung magiging height ng tower dito sa may hill X and then dito sa may hill Z na i-construct natin para maging all intervisible yung tatlo, yung hill X, Z, and Y. So, yan yung height ng tower, 5.59 meter. So, next tayo is ito. Ayan. So, ang sabi, ano naman yung height ng tower must be constructed at hill Z so that the hill Z would be visible from hill X having a clearance of 5 meter above hill Y. So, dito, pwede na draw ulit natin. I-draw natin ulit. So, this is the A, which is 700, yung elevation niya. And then, this is the V, B, X pala. So, this is the X, and this is the Y, hill Y, and then this is the Z. So, yung distances nila, so the D1 is 11 kilometer and then the distance 2 is 14 kilometer. Ayan, so dito yung pinapahanap sa atin, magko-construct tayo ng tower dito sa may hill Z natin. So pinapahanap sa atin ano daw yung magiging height nito. So yan yung height ng tower. And then, dito sa may hill Y, so may binigay ulit na clearance, which is 5 meter. Ayan. So, 5 meter. So, A, dito, A is the height of tower. Ayan. So, sulat natin. So H1 natin is 700. Ayan, so H2 is, hindi pa natin nailagay pala. So, dito sa Z, 620, and then ito 705. 650 pala. Ayan, so H2, 620 plus A. And then the H, ito. So, 650 plus 5. So, label lang natin. So, this is the H1. And this is the H. And then, ito yung H sub 2. Ayan. So, yung mga distance, so hindi naman nagbago. Ayan. So, using the formula na sa intervisibility, so H sub 2 plus D2 divided by D2 plus the D1 times H1 minus the H2 minus 0.0675 D1 times the D2. Ayan, so substitute natin. So 600. So dito na lang sa baba, konti. So 650 plus 5 yung H, and then the H2 is 620 plus A, and then yung D2, 14 divided by 14 plus 11, and then H1 is 700 minus, isin lang natin, minus 620 plus A minus 0.0675, and then the D1 is 11, and then the D2 is 14 kilometer. So, ship solve natin. So, makukuha natin dyan. So, yung height ng tower would be 1.352 meter. So, yan yung magiging height ng tower natin dito sa may hill Z. So, 1.352 meter. So, yan yung mga pinapahanap sa atin. Yan yung mga answers natin for sample problem number 4. So, this would be the last sample problem dito sa my curvature and refraction correction. Ayan, so I hope you learn something and understand yung curvature and refraction correction. Ayan, so thank you for listening, guys.